tall.
Hi bag builders, it's Diane from Spencer Og Sewing Patterns here to introduce the magic middle bucket bag. So before we go any further, let me show you the magic. What do we like to make most? We like to make bags and we like to make pouches. So let's combine the two. So bucket bags look great, but let's be honest, that open top isn't always the most secure, and that's exactly what I wanted to fix. Inside this bag is a fully integrated, flat bottomed, zippered pouch, and this is what makes it different. It's not just a divider, and it's not something floating loosely inside. It's actually built into the sides and the base of the bag, so it stays completely in place and holds its shape beautifully. That means good storage capacity, no rummaging and things getting lost at the bottom, and no opportunistic hands sneaking in there. You get the relaxed, stylish bucket bag look, but with proper organisation and security. The pouch itself has a flat base, so it holds far more than a typical zip divider. It's genuinely usable space, not just a token pocket. And alongside that, you've also got a large interior zip pocket for your valuables. From the outside, it's a clean, modern bucket bag with a softly structured shape, engineered so there's no side seams on the outer to keep bulk down at the sides and make it easy to attach your strap connectors. There's an optional flap with either twist lock or magnetic snap fastener. It turns through the inside pocket so there's no unsightly seams in the lining. There are separate lining pattern pieces for a snug fitted lining. And there's a removable adjustable strap so you can wear it crossbody or over the shoulder or underarm. You can even switch things up and make different strap lengths or different strap widths, or keep it simple with a fixed strap if you prefer, and that also saves on hardware. Use 2 different fabric prints on the outer, or the same fabric on an angle to give the bag some character, or add your own embroideries or embellishments. It's designed to be made easily on a domestic sewing machine, and it works beautifully in just about any type of fabric, from waterproof canvas, cottons, boucle teddy type fabrics, tweeds, even vinyls. And here's a little tip. Because of the way the internal pouch is constructed, the bag actually holds its shape and structure really well on its own, so you'll probably need less interfacing than you actually think. You can have a lot of fun with this one. Add a pop of colour inside the pouch, use a feature print on the outside of the pouch, or keep it sleek and coordinated. It's completely up to you. And it holds so much. An iPad, Kindle, makeup, sunglasses, notepad, wallet. And why not make a matching wallet to go with them? This is the Starlight wallet, also available on my website. Another nice easy make. I've got an amazing group of testers who've been working on this pattern, and honestly, they've been making these non-stop. They've resoundingly said it's easier than it looks and quicker than expected, which is always what we like to hear. And they loved this inside pouch. And as always, these are real makes, real photos. My testers do not use AI. The finished size is approximately 24 by 24 by 10 centimetres, and in inches that's 9.5 by 9.5 by 4 inches. And it's suitable for confident beginners and beyond. You'll get a full written pattern with clear step-by-step instructions, colour photos throughout, and full-size pattern pieces to print, along with a full-length step-by-step video. The pattern is available now on my website as an instant download PDF at www.spencerog.com. You'll also find the link just below this video in the text if you scroll down. And if you're not already there, do come and join the Spencer Og Sewing group on Facebook. It's a brilliant supportive community full of bag makers sharing tips, ideas and help for sewing your bags. I really hope you like the Magic Middle Bucket Bag as much as I do and my testers have done. It's been a really fun one to develop. If you'd like to make one along with me, then head on over to the website and grab the pattern and let's go sew.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some